Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect your Ring doorbell to Alexa, follow these step-by-step instructions to integrate your smart home devices. Step 1. Make sure your Ring doorbell is already set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network through the Ring app. Step 2. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone and sign in with your Amazon account. Step 3. Tap the More button in the bottom right corner of the Alexa app screen. Step 4. Select Skills and Games from the menu to access the Alexa Skills library. Step 5. Use the search bar to find the Ring skill by typing Ring and tapping Search. Step 6. Select the official Ring skill from the search results and tap Enable to use. Step 7. You'll be redirected to log in to your Ring account. Enter your Ring credentials to authorize the connection between Ring and Alexa. Step 8. After linking your accounts, return to the Alexa app and tap Discover Devices, or say, Alexa, discover my devices, and wait about 20 seconds for Alexa to find your Ring doorbell, after which you can use voice commands like Alexa, show me the front door on Echo Show devices, or receive doorbell notifications through your Alexa-enabled speakers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.